Now, James, you're a former military pilot. Do you see strange things? I mean, have you seen strange things up there in the sky? Things that you might not have seen if you just stayed in your backyard barbecuing something?
Well, that's an interesting story, and I often talk about this when I give lectures on the subject. I have 40,000 hours looking at the night sky as an astronomer. I have shot millions of images of the night sky. I have thousands of hours flying at night in airplanes. I have never once, in all of that time looking at the sky, ever seen anything I didn't understand what it was.
Well, what about the fact that some of these pilot reports, there's actually a certain commonality to them, because they'll say, well, this thing was, moving at extraordinarily high speed, Mach 8 or something that, aircraft really can't do. And then it would make a right turn and zoom off in a different direction. How credible are those reports?
I don't consider them very credible. First off, when anybody says they see something visually, whether it be a pilot or anyone else, that an object is moving a certain speed, that is impossible. Your eyeballs are not calibrated instruments. If something is moving, you have to know how big it is, how far away it is, the angular velocity of it, and this is not something that most people can do visually, including pilots. So if you look at this and they say something like this, you have to realize that they're seeing something in a very short period of time. They don't know what it is, and they're attaching their beliefs and perceptions to it. And the human visual system, which is fraught with all kinds of errors, where it fills in stuff which is not actually happening. I would say that I look at data and evidence. And if there is no evidence, then it's not science, and it's not interesting to science. There is zero evidence, there is zero empirical evidence that the Earth has ever been visited by an alien spacecraft. Simple. That's it.
James McGaha, thank you so very much for talking with us.
You're welcome.